Wow, I cannot believe that she cut all that hair off into a pixie. This is absolutely stunning though. Love the bangs in the front, kind of giving it that shaggy pixie vibe. This is such a cute hairstyle idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone getting some color done. Looks like a rosy tone bob makeover. Wow, that color looks so pretty. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone going from shoulder length hair to more of a chic bob style. The stylist also uses some color for this one. Oh, wow, very nice. Beautiful blonde makeover. Next up, we have another color transformation. Oh wow, I love this bob haircut. Beautiful layers. The color looks amazing, very nice. And then we have another color transformation. look at this beautiful orange copper colored hair. Wow. This is the perfect shade for her complexion. She looks absolutely stunning. The stylist did an amazing job. Beautifully done. Next up, we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Oh, a beautiful shoulder length bob cut with the curtain bangs and the pink dip dyed ends. Such a fun hairstyle change. Very bold and vibrant hair. Next up, we have someone trying out the layered haircut trend. Great way to add some volume and shape to your strands. And this is a nice and simple, chic way to shake up your boring strands without doing anything too drastic. I love it. Next up, looks like we have someone else entering the world of color. It's like a bit of hot pink here. Ooh, hot pink pixie look. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.